Hey guys, my name is Pilot and this is my 12-hole ocarina. It works pretty well, but sometimes when I try to play high notes, it sounds a little bit airy. Here are 3 tips on how to hit those high notes without it sounding awful and airy, and yeah. Tip number 1, play loudly. So if you're playing a short song that only requires, some of the lower notes, Epona's song for example, then you can feel free to play at a comfortable level and you will still get a nice full sound, not airy at all. However, once you get to the higher notes, you're gonna actually have to blow pretty hard into this thing, or at least try to play louder. And this actually makes a huge difference. So here's it when I'm playing at a more comfortable level. And here is me playing it pretty loudly. Oh, there is a noticeable difference. Of course, it still doesn't sound pleasant only because of the fact that it's really loud, but at least it's not all airy and ugly sounding, and you don't have to return your ocarina because there's not really anything wrong with it, probably. So yeah, if you're trying to hit those high notes, you gotta just blow into it a little bit harder, but also practice a lot. So you're not like, you just gotta find the right balance, so just practice. Number 2, I don't have a title for this one. So some ocarinas actually require that instead of you holding it like this, you actually have to hold it at more of an acute angle and have your head down like this. This does not apply to every ocarina. Some ocarinas are just made specifically for different settings and stuff. But for example, for my ocarina, it makes absolutely no difference no matter which way I hold it. For certain ocarinas are made differently and you actually do have to hold it at that angle. And yeah. Alright, now the final tip is to stop using dark magic. Even if you're not using dark magic specifically for instrument playing, dark magic will actually take out the pleasantness in anything. So I strongly advise that you quit doing strong magic today. Oh, actually, one more thing I forgot is you should try to clean out your ocarina regularly. Usually mine fills up with a lot of spit, and I'm pretty sure that does have an effect. Oh, and another thing, I'm sorry, I forgot. Sometimes you could kind of be shading over your certain holes with your fingers. So even if you think you let go of that hole, if it's still too close or shading it, it will not make the sound that you really expected. So try to be more cautious of that and try to keep your fingers up more rather than just right above it. Alright, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video.